Welcome back to the channel everyone. Belum Caves is a naturally formed underground cave. The distance between Gandikota and Belum Caves is 60 kilometers. This place is a must visit when you visit Gandikota. I hope by now you will have watched my video on Gandikota. Please watch it if you have not, because it's a place not to be missed. There is a ticket counter at the entrance of the Belum Caves. There is enough parking space, refreshment kiosks, restrooms and a restaurant. 3,229 meters long, this is considered to be the India's second largest cave. They have put lights for visibility and also made arrangements for ventilation. It will take some time to explore the channels. Carry water and energy bars as you will get hydrated inside. It's hot and humid inside the cave. If you need help with exploring the channels inside the cave, and if you need a guide to show you inside, you can hire one. The light was not sufficient inside the cave to capture videos, so I had to settle for pictures. The pathway at some places gets really narrow, and always watch your head as you squeeze through some of the narrow spaces. Like I said, if you plan to visit Gandikota, add this one too to your list. Don't miss. To the stay, there was no good stay nearby, hence I booked my stay at Royal County Resort, which is approximately 65 kilometers away. This one has a proper resort setup. They had all amenities one could possibly ask for, like the swimming pool, library, gaming room, gym, walking track, ground for outdoor games, indoor badminton court, kids play area, spa, big lawn to conduct parties, outdoor screens, enough parking space, and even a bar. The entry to the bar is different and they cannot access the resort, so families no need to worry about it. Looks like they have a club membership program, as I could see people coming from outside and using the facilities in the morning and evening. The rooms are big and well maintained. The service was also good. The cost of the stay came close to 4,000 per night, including complimentary breakfast. That is everything about my visit to Belum Caves. Do reach out if you have any doubts. Until we meet again with another video, bye bye and take care.